Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. So today I will be talking about one of the favorite products that I've been using in the entire lockdown because of this mask that you have to wear everywhere that you go. Of course, for your protection and for your safety. We tend to miss out on the part of the joy of applying lipsticks because obviously they rub off, they smudge off, and they the quality wear offs. So that's why we tend not to wear lipsticks in this particular time zone. However, now that life has started all together again, people are going to offices and people are going to different places, meeting people outside. I thought this is a good time for me to actually go ahead and post a review of this, as well as I'm going to share in another video how a foolproof makeup can be done using these lipsticks. So yes, as I've already mentioned, I'm going to review this beautiful Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. This is how the packaging looks like. I'll quickly show it to you. That's how the packaging looks like. Beautiful product launched by Maybelline. I must say that they have done a brilliant job in launching this particular product. So without wasting any further time, let's just quickly check what this product retails for. So this product retails for 650 rupees. However, I think there is some discount going on Nykaa, so I'm sure you can get it on some discount. And this has a quantity of 5 ml, which is pretty decent because considering the amount of usage and the longevity of this particular product, this is going to go for a very long time. So yes, that's how it looks like. I have 5 colors of these actually. These are the colors that I have. Let me just quickly show it to you. I'm not sure if you can see. I hope you can see the the colors of this. All of these colors will go pretty well with medium to fair skin tones. I'm not too sure if a lot of dusky skin tones will prefer these colors or will suit these colors. However, if you're somebody who's of my shade or a little bit lighter, will definitely love these colors. So let me just go ahead and swatch them for you first, and then I'll tell you how these products worked for me. First product that I have, and the first color rather that I have, is Artist, which is 120. I just hope you can see the color. And when it comes in this kind of packaging, you twirl it and you open it. This has a beautiful wand. I liked the wand because it deposits the color within the space given on the wand, and then it helps you to apply the color really well on your lips. So let me just quickly swatch this for you. This is a bright pink color that you can apply. I hope you can, the camera catches the color correctly. But this is a beautiful plumish pinkish color, and this will work really well if you're somebody of my skin tone or even a bit lighter or a darker shade. I think this will go really well to medium to fair skin tone girls. It look lovely. Next that I have on my palette is 130 Self Starter. I hope you can see that. It's 130 Self Starter. This is more of a corally color. Just quickly swatch this for you. This also works really well. I hope you guys can see. This works really well. It's more of a coral color. I think it doesn't suit me really well if I apply it just like that directly on my lips. I think if I apply it with a good liner base or with a little bit of foundation, I think it gives out a better color on my lips. But somebody who is of fairer skin tone will definitely love it because it will look really beautiful on them. So go ahead and try this. Next on the list is Serial 80. This is Ruler. Again, this is more of a, how should I describe it? This is more of a berry color. Again, would look beautiful on dusky skin tones. I know you'll feel that berry and this particular color and the one that I mentioned earlier, which was Artist, look pretty much the same, but no, they have a lot of difference. This is more of a reddish tone and this is more of a blue tone color. So I think this will look again very pretty on people who are from medium to fair skin tone. They look really nice. Next on the list is Seeker, which is 245, as you guys can see. Just quickly swatch this for you. I got these 5 colors only because I thought that they will look much better for me rather than buying unnecessary colors which I would not rather use. This is again a beautiful reddish tone brown, and yeah, it's Seeker reddish tone brown, and this is the same color that I've applied on my lips. So as you can see, this will suit really well for similar skin tones. Next, I have Fighter. I This is the first purchase that I had of this particular range, and I loved it because at that point I was crazy about browns and more nude colors. So if you're somebody who likes brown shades, I think this is something for you to go for. This is more of a terracotta brown shade, and this will look lovely on you because this will bring out your your color. Somehow some colors are there, they bring out your actual color, and they enhance the enhance your skin tone. So I think this is something that will look really really pretty, I think, on all shades. But yeah, I think on all shades, correct. So let me just quickly go ahead and tell you how these product worked for me. So the moment you apply it, you have to make sure that you apply it and you do not press your lips. You don't do that, because the moment you do it, they will start sticking together. So this product takes good 5 to 10 minutes to settle down, but once this settles, there's no turning back. This product stays for the entire day, no matter what. I've eaten, I've had water, I have talked too much wearing these lipsticks, but they were in place. So they did not move anywhere. They were really, 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 really good. And I think, but the only thing that you have to make sure of is that the moment you apply it, you give it 5 minutes to settle on your lips. So you don't really press your lips, or you don't try to smudge them, and don't try to disturb the settling process of this particular lipstick, and this will be good to go throughout the day until unless you go ahead and remove it. Talking about the removal of these products, they will not wash off with plain water or soap. You will have to apply oil or any sort of a cleansing balm to remove these, because they will not budge. Trust me, they will not budge. So you will have to make sure that you use some sort of oil or some sort of cleansing balm to remove it. Massage it a little well on your lips, and then wipe it off with a cleansing towel or a tissue. That is how you will be removing these products. um, for some people, I think the stickiness of this particular lipstick might be a concern, because when initially you give them time to settle down, it starts sticking. So I'll just quickly show you. I'm not sure if it will still be sticking, but yes, it does. So as you guys can see, this sticks together when it's settling down. So it's not taken much time for me to apply. I think it's been around 10 minutes, but yes, you can see that they stick together. So for some people, this might be a concern that, the colors, the lipstick sticks together. But I think for me, it's fine because it works the entire day. And this is completely smudge proof. I'll show you this kiss test and you guys will will get to know. Can you see this? This is something that has been freshly applied. I think it's only been 8-10 minutes that I've applied this, and it's still settling on my lips. Can you see the wear off? It's minimum. It's just next to impossible. And if I give it some more time, I think this will be zero. Because I have used it throughout the day. I think the maximum hours that I've worn this particular lipstick has been approximately 10 hours. So for 10 hours I have worn this particular lipstick, and they have worked like magic. I'm not somebody who can go ahead and reapply the lipstick every 2 hours or every 3 hours. That's the reason I don't really prefer good lipsticks, because they wear off, and somehow I have to go back and apply them again, and it's a really hassle. So yeah, so I prefer liquid lipsticks, and they have worked really well, really 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 well for me. And if you're somebody who does not like to apply lipsticks after every certain hours, so I think this will be a best match for you. And also because now these days we have to wear mask, and you have a concern that they will leave a stain on your mask and a lot many similar things. I think this will be a really good shot. Even if I think the colors are so beautiful and they're so bright, that even if you go ahead and you apply them without any sort of makeup, I think they'll still work really well for you. So yeah, that's all from my end. If you have already used these lipsticks, you have any review, you have any suggestions about this, please do let me know about the same. I'll be more than happy to know how they worked for you. And if there are any other suggestions that you would like to share with me, again, you just have to input them in the comments box below. If you're new to my channel, you've just landed on this particular channel, please go ahead and subscribe this particular channel if you like it, and share it with your friends so that they can also go ahead and share with their friends. And yeah, that's it. I need your support and help in growing this particular channel, so please go ahead and spread your love. That's all from myself today. You take care of yourself. Okay,